If you want to find hidden player stashes fast in Minecraft, Meteor Client's Stash Finder module is one of the most effective tools when used correctly. Start by opening Meteor Client and going to the Modules menu. Look under the World or Render category and enable Stash Finder. This module scans chunks for player-placed storage blocks instead of natural terrain. Next, open the module settings. Enable common stash blocks like chests, barrels, shulker boxes, hoppers, furnaces, and droppers. These are the most common containers used in hidden bases and loot stashes. Now adjust the minimum count setting. This is critical. Set it to at least 3 or 4. A single chest can be random, but multiple storage blocks grouped together almost always indicate a stash or base. Once it's set up, start exploring new chunks. Flying with Elytra or using fast travel loads chunks quicker, which helps the scanner work more efficiently. As you move, Stash Finder automatically scans and highlights detected stash locations. When a stash is found, the area will be marked with labels or outlines so you can return later. You can also save the coordinates if you want to come back when it's safer. For best results, search far from spawn, along old player paths, rivers, nether portal exits, and diagonal travel routes. Abandoned player trails are some of the highest success areas. If your game starts lagging, lower the scan range or disable less important block types. The module works best when focused on key containers only. Quick recap: enable Stash Finder, select storage blocks, raise the minimum count, explore new chunks, and follow player routes. Like and subscribe if I helped you.